Shopping is something we all do, whether it's to buy groceries, clothes, or gifts for loved ones. It's also a great opportunity to practice your English speaking skills. By speaking English during shopping, you can improve your vocabulary, learn new phrases, and become more confident in using the language in real-life situations. In this video, we'll go over some key tips and examples to help you practice English while shopping. 1. Why practice English while shopping? When you shop, you interact with people, ask questions, and make decisions. These are all real-life situations where you can practice speaking English. It's a fun and useful way to learn because you get to use the language in different contexts. Whether you're in a store, at a mall, or even online shopping, there are many chances to practice. By speaking with shop assistants, other customers, or even just practicing your sentences aloud, you can improve your speaking skills in a natural setting. Also, shopping vocabulary is easy to learn and remember because it's something you see and use every day. 2. Basic vocabulary for shopping. Before we dive into examples, let's start with some basic shopping vocabulary that will help you get started. Store shop, the place where you go to buy things, e.g. clothing store, grocery shop. Shopping cart, chalk trolley, a cart you push to carry your items around the store. Cashier, the person who checks out your items and takes your payment. Receipt, a piece of paper you get after buying something. It shows what you bought and how much you paid. Discount, a lower price on an item. Sale, a special event where items are sold at lower prices. Price tag, a label that shows the price of an item. Try on, to wear clothes in the store to see if they fit. Size, the measurement of how big or small something is, like clothing or shoes. Refund, money given back if you return an item. 3. Common phrases to use while shopping. Here are some common phrases you can use when shopping in English. Asking questions. How much is this? This is the simplest way to ask for the price of an item. Do you have this in a different size? Use this when you want to know if the item is available in a size that fits you better. Can I try this on? When shopping for clothes, this phrase asks if you can go to the fitting room and try the clothes. Where can I find item? If you're looking for something specific, like a shirt or shoes, you can ask this question to store employees. Is there a sale on this item? If you're hoping to get a discount, ask if the item is on sale. Can I get a discount? If you want to know if the store can lower the price, ask for a discount. Making requests. I would like to buy this. A polite way to say you want to purchase something. Could I have a bag, please? If you need a bag to carry your items, you can use this phrase. Please put this on the counter. If you want the cashier to scan your items, could you gift wrap this for me? Use this phrase if you need the item wrapped as a gift. Can I pay by card? If you want to know if you can use a credit card for payment. Dealing with problems. I think this item is broken. If you find something damaged or not working, you can say this. I changed my mind. I don't want to buy this. If you decide not to buy something, this is the right phrase to use. Can I return this item? Use this when you want to know if you can bring something back to the store. This doesn't fit. If the item is too big or small, use this phrase. 4. Speaking English with the shop assistant. When you go to a store, the shop assistant can help you find what you need. Here are some examples of how you can practice English with them. Example 1. Asking for help. You. Hello, can you help me find a pair of jeans? Shop assistant. Sure, what size are you looking for? You. I'm looking for size 32. In this conversation, you asked for help and gave clear information about what you need. This is an easy and helpful way to practice speaking English when shopping. Example 2. Asking about prices. You. How much is this sweater? Shop assistant. It's 25. You. Is there a discount on this item? Shop assistant. Yes, it's 20% off today. This example shows how you can ask for the price of an item and also inquire about discounts. Example 3. Returning an item. You. Hello. I bought this shirt yesterday, but it doesn't fit. Can I return it? Shop assistant. Sure. Do you have the receipt? You. Yes, here it is. In this conversation, you practiced asking to return an item. Remember, it's important to be polite and clear when explaining the problem. 5. Practicing pronunciation. When speaking English, correct pronunciation is important. Here are some tips for practicing pronunciation while shopping. Slow down your speech. When you're learning English, it's important to speak slowly and clearly so others can understand you. Listen to others. Pay attention to how shop assistants and other customers speak. Try to copy their pronunciation. Use a mirror. Practicing in front of a mirror can help you see the movements of your mouth and lips when speaking. 6. Role-playing shopping conversations. One of the best ways to practice speaking English is to pretend you are in a shopping situation. You can do this by role-playing. You can either practice alone or with a friend. Role-play example 1. At the grocery store. You. Hello, can you help me find the apples? Shop assistant. Sure, they are in the fruit section next to the bananas. You. Thank you, how much are they? Role-play example 2. At a clothing store. You. I'm looking for a jacket for the winter. Can you show me some options? Shop assistant. Of course. Do you have a color preference? You. I like black or gray. This role-playing practice can help you feel more comfortable using English in shopping situations. 7. Practice online shopping. You can also practice English by shopping online. While you won't interact with people in person, you can still practice by reading product descriptions, writing reviews, or contacting customer service. Many online stores also offer chat support, which is another opportunity to practice English. 8. Tips for improving your English while shopping. Here are a few tips to help you improve your English while shopping. Start with simple phrases. Don't worry about using complex language. Start with simple phrases and gradually build your vocabulary. Use your phone. If you're not sure how to say something, look it up on your phone. There are many apps and websites that can help you translate words or learn phrases. Talk to yourself. If you're shy about speaking to others, try talking to yourself while you shop. Practice saying things like, I need to find the milk, or I'm going to buy some fruit. Be patient and keep practicing. Learning a new language takes time. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you'll improve. 9. Conclusion. Shopping is a fantastic way to practice your English because it's a real-world situation where you can use the language. By practicing common phrases, learning useful vocabulary, and speaking with others, you can improve your speaking skills. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. So, Next time you go shopping, don't forget to use English. Happy shopping and happy learning.